Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 40, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of your screen like so, and then in here you'll find the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me it is visible right over here. Now you can also swipe down in this area, and this will extend the list of toggles as well as giving you the names of them. As you can see, Do Not Disturb. Once you see it, you can hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. Now in here you can also set up a fully automatic schedule. So once you enable it, you can then select start, end time, and also the day of the week that you want to repeat it. Now that being said, there is only this one that you can set up. Most phones, almost all of them, give you the option to have multiple schedules set up, but here it's just this one, and good riddance. So anyway, once you go to the settings, customize them to fit your needs, you can then find a toggle, simply tap on it to enable it manually. And once you enable it manually, you also need to remember to turn it off. If you don't, it will run indefinitely in the background. And you can turn it off by tapping on a toggle once more. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.